about the planets in the solar system. Mercury. The nearest planet from the Sun is Mercury. It is also the smallest planet of the solar system. Mercury can be observed only during the sunrise or sunset near the horizon. It is because at any other times it cannot be seen because of the glare of the sun. Mercury does not have satellite of its own. Venus. The brightest planet in the sky is Venus. It is the nearest planet from the Earth. Since it appears in the eastern sky before the sunrise, therefore it is also called morning star. Similarly, it also appears in the western sky just after the sunset. Therefore, it is also called evening star. It does not have any satellite. Venus rotates from east to west on its axis. Earth. The only planet in the solar system having life is Earth. Life exists on Earth because of the right temperature range, presence of water, and the favorable atmosphere along with ozone layer. Earth appears blue-green when observed from space. It is because of light reflected from the water is blue and from the ground light reflected is green. You will be surprised to know that the axis of rotation of Earth is not exactly perpendicular to the orbit of revolution. In fact, it is slightly tilted at some angle. This tilt is responsible for different seasons on the Earth. There are many satellites revolving around the Earth. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. The rest are made by man and are called artificial satellites. Mars. The red planet of solar system is Mars. It is called red planet because of its reddish appearance. It has two natural satellites. Jupiter. The largest planet of solar system is Jupiter. It can be estimated that Jupiter is about 1300 times larger than Earth. However, the mass of Jupiter is 318 times that of our Earth. You can easily identify Jupiter as it is very bright and has faint rings around itself. Jupiter rotates around itself speedily. There are many natural satellites revolving around Jupiter. 4 of them can be seen by telescope. Saturn. The yellowish planet of solar system with beautiful rings is the Saturn. It also has large number of satellites. It is the least dense planet in the solar system. Its density is lower than water. Uranus and Neptune. These are the 7th and 8th planet from the Sun. Because of larger distance from Earth, these can only be viewed with the help of large telescopes. Uranus has highly tilted rotation axis on which it rotates from east to west, just like Venus. It appears as if Uranus is rolling on its side. Beside planets, there are other bodies revolving around the Sun. We will talk about them in next video. I hope you have understood this topic well.
Earlier we talked about the Earth and its moon. But do you know what the moon is? The moon is a natural satellite. Satellites are small heavenly bodies that move around planets. Like planets, they do not have any heat or light of their own, but shine by reflecting light from the sun. The moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. It looks so large in the night sky because it is the closest celestial body to the Earth. If there was no moon, there would be no tides in the oceans. Unlike Earth, there is no life on moon. It takes about 27 days to complete one revolution around the Earth, and in this time it rotates only once. Along with the moon, there are some artificial satellites orbiting the Earth. These are man-made satellites which have been placed in the Earth's orbit by scientists. These artificial satellites help in navigation, gathering weather information, creating maps, and even spying. They also make it possible for us to call our friends and families living in other countries. Are these the only heavenly bodies in the solar system? No. Other than planets and stars, there are also asteroids, meteors, and comets. Asteroids are planet-like bodies that revolve around the Sun along with other planets. They are believed to be pieces of some planet that exploded a long time back. Meteors are small pieces of rock and sand in the solar system. They are commonly called shooting stars because when they enter the Earth's atmosphere, they start burning due to friction and become luminous. The Lonar Crater Lake is a saltwater lake in Maharashtra which was created by meteor impact millions of years ago. Comets are composed of rock, dust, ice, and frozen gases. Each comet has its own elongated orbit around the Sun. Comets are visible when they approach the Sun. They start glowing and develop a long tail. The most famous comet is Halley's Comet, which was last seen in 1986. It will again appear after 76 years in 2062. That's how huge the solar system is. But still, it is a very small part of the universe. Plenty of solar systems make a galaxy, and crores of such galaxies make up the universe.